Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Self Study. Today we will discuss about a very simple and very sweet chapter that is your, we cannot say chapter, we can say that is your topic, finding the unit digit. Okay, finding the unit digit. In every exam, in every competitive exam, it consists of 1 marks or 2 marks, which is very helpful to score the any examination. So we will find the unit digit of given sums. There are 5 sums in this board. We will solve one by one and how to find unit digit. Before we solving these sums, we have to some concept related to unit digit. The first concept is your, if any number, the unit place is ended with the 0, 1, 5, 6. As example, that is your 0, 5 or any other number where the unit place is consisting 0, 1, 5, 6. Then the power of any number is always same as unit place. That means the power of that numbers is 0, 1, 5, 6. Okay, and the second concept is your, if any number other than 0, 1, 5, 6 having in unit place, then we have to a formula or we have a concept to finding the unit digit. It is very simple and very easy. Please see an example on which by finding what is the power of unit digit. If we take example 79523 the power 243. If you will calculate by the multiplying and by the taking the powers, it is very difficult to calculate. So we have some concept or some formula to finding this. Simply we take the power that 243. Okay, after taking power we have to minus 4 on that power, that means 239. Okay, we get 239. This is first step. After getting the 239, the second step is to divide 239 by 4. Okay, we will divide 4 5 is 20, 4 9 is 36. We have get 3 in remainder. We have no enemy to the quotient. Okay, we will focus on only on remainder. The remainder is 3. The second step will complete, and the third step is your add 4 on remainder. 3 plus 4, you will get 7. Okay, then after doing these all concept, we will come into that number and we will focus on only on unit digit. Okay, because we are doing all concept, all things for unit digit, so we will focus only on unit digit. So we have to write 2 to the power 7. So it is very easy to calculate the unit digit. We can write 2 is 7 times. We will write into, okay, you know very well 8 and 4. You can simply multiply 8 4, 64 into 4, and finally you will get 4 into 4, that is 16. The unit digit is 6. Here we have one mistake, that 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 3, oh, this is 2 to the power 1. Okay, so we will find again 2 to the power 8 and 2. 64 into 2. 4 into 2. Finally, the unit digit will be 8. Okay. So before we solve next question, we have to note down for you. So we have a thumb rule. Simply we take in first step the power. Okay, add 4, no, oh, sorry, subtract 4 on power given. Okay, and second step, you will divide power given divide by 4, and in third step, remainder addition, adding on 4. Okay, and in fourth step, you will take the answer of third step to the power the unit digit number to the power. Okay, as example, we have 7 in third step, 4 plus 3, 7 in third step, and any number ended with 8, so we have to take 8 to the 7. This is your in fourth step. So the concept is well consisting fourth step, and you will find any of bigger or smaller number unit digit. So this 4 step will give you 1 marks in any exam. It is very easy and very simple. So let us take some more example for finding the unit digit. Okay, so you have to remember the 4 play a very crucial role in to finding the unit digit. Okay, so let us play with some more example. So we have to take 8, 6, 2. This is very and first step to finding the unit digit. Simply you will multiply 8 into 6 into 10, that is 48 into 2, means 8 into 2, that the unit digit is 6. Okay, this is very simple and first step to solve the unit digit. And the second question consists 82, 62, 4 square. Okay, so 82, 62 and 4 square. So we will take first 4 square, that is 16, and we will take the unit place 2 and 2, that is your 2 plus 2, 4, 2 to 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10, means unit digit is your 10. So in a questions in many exams, this may be help you in calculation. This type of question will not come in your exam. This will help to you in your calculation to finding the unit digit. And the third and more important question is, that is 2m35 into 753, that is your power. So this is very difficult to calculate the power of this number. So we will take these 4 steps, or if you will give the click on that rule, so you simply give the answer 5 is the unit digit, if you have remember this concept. Okay, other than you will find by applying this rule. Okay, and the other next example is 13 to the power 2003. Okay, so we here in unit place there is not 1, 5 or 6, this is 3 to the power 2003. So we will solve this question by applying this rule. Okay, so the first step is to subtract the power given by 4, so then 199. Okay, then second step, power given divided by 4, so 19994. Okay, 16 39 3 the remainder is 3. Then we have completed first and second step, and the remainder is 3. Remainder adding on 4. Okay, then 3 plus 4, that is 7. Okay, we have completed 3 steps, and the last step is 4. Answer third to the power unit number of the given number. ठीक है. So that the given number unit place is 3. So 3 to the power 7. Okay, this is your final answer, and we have to find unit digit on this. So we can write 7 times 3. Okay, so we can write 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. Okay, so 3 to the power 3, that is your 27, and this is also 27, and that is 3. So we have to take the unit place 7 3. Then 49 into 3. We again take unit digit 9 into 3, 27. So final answer is 7. Okay, in this question the final answer is 7. So again we will deal with next question, that is your 7 to power 4 to the power 6. We will see this question very carefully and try to solve with very easy method. Okay, so we have to solve first 7 to power 4, that is 7 to power 4. Okay, so 49 into 49, the unit digit is 1. Okay, 9 into 9 81, so unit digit 1. So we have only 1 in unit digit. Okay, in under the question. Okay, so you can get by applying this rule, the answer is 1. Okay, otherwise you have to know very well the power of any number which have 1, it consists that number. Okay, so 1 to the power 26, so the unit digit is 1 in this question. Okay, got it? And the next question, this is another type of question. It is not very complex, it is also very easy, but here we will first solve this and solve this, and then we have to subtract the unit place. Okay, we will find 7 to 95 minus 35. Separately we have to find first unit digit and then second, then subtract. So we will deal with this question. I hope if you have get these all concepts, so you will solve easily this question. Okay, I am saying about this question, first you have to find this, and after that you will find this, then you have to minus the first unit digit and second unit digit, you will get answer. Okay, so I am leaving this question for you. You can do that question and comment on my comment box. Okay, I hope you will do definitely. And the third and we will deal with last question. So this is 5170 to the power 23568. Okay, so if you will solve by this method, it will take time. So we have a very thumb rule for this question, the number ending with 0156, so you will get the unit digit is your same as given number. Okay, the unit digit is 0. Okay, I hope you have clear all the concept on this unit digit, how to find the unit digit. So get the more concept, you have to practice on the practice set, and comment on my comment box if you have any problem with regarding this finding the unit digit. For more videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.